Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee in a French press. Boil fresh water, measure coffee and water precisely, and grind to a coarse texture. Bloom the grounds with a small splash, then pour remaining water, stir gently, cover, and let steep. After 4 minutes, press slowly and serve immediately for best clarity and aroma, adjusting time or ratio to taste. Start by weighing your coffee and water, then grind beans to a coarse consistency like breadcrumbs. A 1:15 ratio gives a balanced cup, but adjust to taste. Consistent grind and measurement reduce bitterness or weak flavor. Keep your setup simple: scale, grinder, and timer. Small tweaks to grind size or steep time will help you dial in the perfect cup for morning routines or slow afternoons. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with the ritual of brewing better coffee. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find it useful, support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Heat water to just off boil and wet the grounds for a 30-second bloom to release gases. Pour remaining water, give one gentle stir to equalize extraction, then cover with the plunger up. Let the coffee steep for about 4 minutes, then press steadily over 20 to 25 seconds. Decant immediately to avoid over-extraction, and enjoy a clean, rich cup with minimal sediment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.